I'm gonna grab the shade Wiped Up, which is right here. And I mean, clearly.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. If you are new to my channel, hello. My name is Natashia. Nice to meet you. In today's video, if you could not tell by the title, you can see that I got my first PR package from Gerard Cosmetics. Woo! I am so freaking excited. Like when a CEO like DM'd you, I was like, so to Gerard Cosmetics and Jen, I am just so grateful. And I was able to pick out the products that I wanted, which I'm super excited about that because I can test out products that I haven't tried yet. So I did get 7 products, and the products, I did mention them in depth, of course, in the tutorial. So I did get a lip liner, a mattifying lipstick, as well as, it's like a glitter lipstick. I love it so much, just wait. Another product that I did pick up is the Starlet / Honeymoon palette. And I mentioned in this tutorial, I love when palettes come with mirrors. It's just so helpful because you never know when you're gonna need to apply some blush, some bronzer. And the good thing is at least you have a mirror to do that. So Gerard Cosmetics, keep doing that. That's awesome. I looked on the site and I was like, wait a minute. They have eyeliner and it's a felt tip. Pause. You already know I had to get it. These are the packages that the product did come in. So beautiful, just sleek. It's black, it's gold, and I love gold. This is how it looks. So this is how your packaging comes in. The highlight of the show. I should have got the big coconut scent setting spray. This stuff smells so good. Like I really just want to drink it, and I know I can't, but I really love it. As I mentioned, I am an affiliate. I do have an affiliate code. Go ahead and type in Natashia for 30% off. I'm just trying to help you save that coin. If you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, please keep watching. Let's go ahead and get this party started. Now, you know I like to stay hydrated all day, so I'm gonna grab my Slay All Day setting spray. The next product I'm gonna grab is from Glow Girl Cosmetics. And if you're new to my channel, I am from Colorado. It gets extremely dry here. And this does have hyaluronic acid in it, which is great for moisturizing your skin and making your skin look young, glowy. I just focused this primer in my T-zone. Of course, I want this routine to be simple for you, but for today, I do need to color correct some of my dark spots. I do have a really bad dark spot on my nose, so I'm just gonna take my Ruby Kisses. This is the color corrector in the shade Orange. I just dab a little bit under my eye. So I just sprayed my Beauty Blender, and I'm going to go ahead and blend in this color correct. Right now, I'm gonna grab my L'Oreal. This is the 24-hour Infallible Matte Foundation. This foundation, you have to move fast though. And the reason why I wanted to film such a simple video, I know I have a younger crowd that follows me and I like to cater to them, and I do have an older crowd that follows me. If you didn't know, I am 32. And I just want to make sure that I'm meeting all the needs of everyone. I know when I do all the crazy looks, I know mature adults do not want to like go that crazy every day, which is okay. Nothing's wrong with that. And I am gonna have to use a brush, of course, for my forehead because I wasn't coming on camera without no brows. Moving on to highlighting and contouring, I'm just taking my favorite. This is the Born This Way, the Multi-Scope Concealer. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I run out of this concealer. Like, I love it so much. And then another thing, of course, I pretty much do every day is contour. So I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer, grabbing a stippling brush. If you didn't know, a stippling brush is amazing for cream contour. This is an e.l.f. stippling brush. This is what it looks like. I want to say this brush was only $3. If you guys ever want me to do a highlight and contour video for you guys, just leave a comment down below letting me know. And then I pinch the brush to get my nose. Once again, spraying my beauty blender. These are the Real Technique beauty blenders and I really love them. This is the Starlet / Honeymoon palette, wiped up, first class, and then your bronzer is #forever. Moving on to blush, I'm gonna grab the shade Wiped Up, which is right here, and I mean clearly. And you always want to smile when you add blush. And to add the E in extra, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the blush First Class. Ooh, look at that. And I'm just gonna put this right here. Grab my Ben Nye banana powder, and I'm gonna put some in the cap. This can get a little messy, so be careful. And this is just a setting brush from Real Techniques. Grabbing a different Real Techniques sponge. This is me just picking up powder. And I'm not gonna go too crazy with the eyes, but the shade Wiped Up I think will be a great crease shade, just to kind of give my eyes some definition. Just grabbing a highlight from ColourPop, I'm using Butterfly Beach. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to take my finger because it's a cream highlight, and I'm just gonna do my brow bone. To make my eyes look more awake, I'm gonna grab a nude pencil, and I'm gonna place this in my waterline. And I need to grab my little martini mirror. Thanks, Mom. So for all you beginners, if you're not comfortable using liquid eyeliner, get a felt tip first. If you start out with a brush, your hand might start shaking and you might, of course, mess up. With a felt tip, it's a little bit easier to maneuver. One cat eye down and another one to go. Grabbing some mascara because I'm trying to decide if I don't want to be too extra and add lashes. Do you guys see this? My real lashes are trying to show out today. Going back into my Butterfly Beach, we're gonna place this shade in our tear duct. I'm just taking my eyeliner. While I wait for my little dots to dry, because I'm not gonna put mascara on them yet, I am going to bring a little bit of this banana powder down to my under eyes. Tasha the reporter wants to let you know that these dots are safe. I baked for long enough. I'm just taking an e.l.f. This is a small tapered brush, and I'm gonna wipe away this setting powder. I came to slay. And I'm gonna grab my Profusion. This is the Opio Glow. And then of course I saw some girls. I always want to tap off my finger. Like, what is this? I'm so freaking excited. This is like the best part of this tutorial. Like, forget everything else I told you guys in this tutorial. This is the highlight. I am gonna grab my lip pencil. Of course, this is from Gerard Cosmetics. This is in the shade Sugar and Spice. This is what the eyeliner, okay. This is what the lip liner looks like. And then here goes the packaging. The next product I'm gonna pick up is the Hydrating Matte Plum Crazy, and I don't know if my camera is gonna be able to pick up the name, but look at this. Oh, so pretty. Although this is a matte lipstick, it still feels super hydrating. Like, my lips don't feel like they want to jump off my face. How can you not love rose gold packaging as well? Ugh, wait till you guys see the lipstick. Wait for it. Look at this lipstick. It has everything you want in life. So I'm just gonna take Hollywood Boulevard and I'm gonna put this in the center of my lip because I'm not trying to take away from this beautiful Crazy Plum lipstick. Did you guys see that? It's like having a mini party on my lips. Let me put this lipstick away. Like, I can't. It's so beautiful. I'm not gonna add falsies because my eyelashes were like, girl, we love you today. This look was so easy to do and I'm just so happy on how it came out. Like I said, you can wear this anywhere. If you're not trying to be over the top and you just want to do, I'm not gonna say a quick face because this isn't gonna be quick for everybody, but just to keep your eyes simple, pull your hair back and to make sure that your face is what everybody sees. This is such a beautiful look and I love the products that I used in this video. But you already know I still have to use my Slay All Day setting spray that I've been dying to use throughout this whole tutorial. Of course, you guys know I want to thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this tutorial. I know I seem a little crazy. Anytime you guys write me a comment, I literally like respond right away. It's not that I just have my phone in my hands at all times. It's just I really want you guys to know that I really do appreciate you guys. So to my oldies but goodies subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for holding me down. To my new subscribers, there's so much more to come off my channel, so please just stick around and support. Thank you, Gerard Cosmetics. I really do appreciate you guys, especially supporting such a small channel. I am going to grow, just wait. As always, until my next video, I miss you guys. Bye.